If LDPlayer is overheating your PC in 2026, yeah, that's a serious issue, but don't worry. In most cases, it just means your system is under too much load, and we can fix it with a few simple changes. First, open Task Manager and check your CPU and RAM usage while LDPlayer is running. I mean, if they're near 100%, that's likely causing the overheating. Next, open LDPlayer settings and reduce CPU cores and RAM allocation. Giving LDPlayer fewer resources can actually lower heat and stabilize performance. Now switch graphics mode between OpenGL and DirectX. Yeah, one mode may generate less GPU load and reduce overheating. After that, close heavy background apps like browsers, game launchers, or recording software. So less load means less heat on your system. Also make sure your PC has proper airflow. Clean dust from fans and avoid using LDPlayer on soft surfaces like beds or sofas. You should also update LDPlayer and your graphics drivers. I mean, optimized software can reduce unnecessary CPU and GPU strain, and that's it. One of these fixes should reduce overheating and make LDPlayer run much cooler on your PC.